what value of x satisfies the equation above. So this is the equation that has been given to us and we need to find the value of x. So let's just start with writing our equation here, which is 4x square upon x square minus 9 minus 2x upon x plus 3 is equal to 1 upon x minus 3. Now we can break this x square minus 9 into x plus 3 into x minus 3, which is nothing but a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So we can take this x plus 3 and x minus 3 in our denominator. So this should be equal to 4x square minus 2x into x minus 3, which would be equal to 1 upon x minus 3. Now let's just take this x plus 3 into x minus 3 to this side and simplify this numerator here. So it would be 4x square minus 2x square plus 6x is equal to x plus 3 into x minus 3 upon x minus 3. Now we can cancel out this x minus 3 and x minus 3 and bring this x plus 3 to this side, which implies this should be equal to 2x square plus 6x minus x minus 3 is equal to 0, which will give us 2x square plus 5x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now we have formed this quadratic equation and all we need to do is to break this 5x into two numbers. So now we can see here we have got, once we are multiplying these two here, we're getting minus 6. So this has to be broken down into 6x and minus x, because if we add them up we'll get plus 5x, and if we multiply them we'll get minus 6x square, which implies 2x square plus 6x minus x minus 3 is equal to 0. So we can take 2x common here, which would be x plus 3. We can take minus 1 common here, which would be x plus 3 equal to 0, which will give us 2x minus 1 into x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now either 2x minus 1 is 0 or x plus 3 is 0. So let's just take 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, which implies x is equal to minus 1 by 2, or x plus 3 is equal to 0, which implies x has to be minus 3. Now we need to find which of the values we have been given in the options here. We have been given both minus 3 and minus 1 by 2, and now we need to substitute these two values in this equation here and see which is the right answer. Now if we look closely, if we substitute minus 3 here in this equation, this denominator will become 0, and once this denominator becomes 0, this equation will be undefined. Hence we can eliminate option A here, and option B is the correct answer.